Now, as far as I know, there aren't many tricks involving jigsaws, but this is a new effect by Alan Chitty called Jigsaw Puzzler. Did you do jigsaws much when you were a kid? Most people do, don't they? But I don't know, perhaps when you get older you don't do them so very much. Let me show you this jigsaw here. So this is a bit different, this one. It's as you can see, it's got, every piece has got a number on it. Each piece has got a different number. Can you see that? And I've got a pack of cards which I've got, there's one for each of the numbers on the table, each of the jigsaw pieces. What I'd like you to do is to pick some pieces for you and some pieces for me, and I'll demonstrate what I mean. I'd like you to pick, first of all, pick one for me. So just when you see a number you like, tell me when to stop. Just tell me to stop. 18, you'd like me to have 18. Okay, so we'll turn that one over, put those on top there, and we'll find yours is 18. I'll have the next one, whatever it is, but we don't know what it is at this stage. You see what I mean? Let's have a look. That was just a test. Oh, it happens to be 14, so I'd have 18 and you'd have 14. Okay, so that's how we're going to do it 3 times. I want you to pick 3 pieces for me and 3 for you. Okay, so here we go. Well, let's give them a bit of a shuffle. I don't want you to think I've set them up in advance. So just tell me when you see one that you like the look of for me. Okay, anything you'd like for me. 15 for me. Okay, that's going to be my card then. We'll turn them over and I get 15, if we can find it. There it is. I get 15 and you get that one there that we're going to look at later. Is that okay? We can do that again. This time again, pick one for me that you like the look of, or that you don't like the look of if you like. Number 9 for me. Okay, that's mine. Let's find mine then. And you will take the next one unseen. That's that one there. Okay, so we'll do that just once more. We'll have 3 pieces each. Ready? 1, 2. You just stop me again anywhere you like. 1. I'll have 1 then. That's good. So I've got number 1. There it is, number 1. You've got the next one there. Okay, and that obviously leaves 1 piece for all the others on the table. So let's first of all have a look at mine. There's your 3 there. Let's find mine, which are 1, 9 and 15. So there's number 1, there's number 9, and there's number 15. Okay, so look at 1, 9 and 15. It doesn't sound promising in terms of them actually fitting together, because the numbers tend to go, no, I don't think there's any fit there. Let's have a look at the pieces. Oh well, I've got 3 very boring pieces. Anyway, that's my 3. Let's put them to one side and look at yours. What have you drawn here? You've drawn number 6, number 5 and number 7. 5, 6 and 7. Okay, there's 5, there's 6, there's 7. Right, so 5, that does sound promising actually. 5, 6, 7, you might expect them to fit together, mightn't you? 5, how would it go? 6 and 7, logically like that. 5, 6 and 7. That's very good. So out of all these cards you've picked 3 for me with no luck at all, and 3 for you that fit nicely together. Let's just have a look and see what picture you've got. Oh well, there you are. You see, they did fit together. You've got a rabbit in a hat. Well done. Let's look and just see what else there was. Well, that's fantastic. The odds about that against that happening, I don't know what it is. 18 choices there, 17 there, 16 there. Just it's a lot of choices, and somehow or other you managed to pull it off. Well done. That's Alan Chitty's Jigsaw Puzzler. I just want to show you now two other versions of it. That's a kind of international version that would use ordinary numbers and a picture that everybody would recognize. Okay. This is a version that's also international, which would use, as you can see, ESP symbols and various things like that, colors and what have you. Okay, and the cards in that case are ESP cards. They're some of them are ESP, some of them are other different designs and what have you. And in this case, the customer would draw that one, and that one, and the magician would draw 3 random ones. And those particular ones, when you find them, piece together, here they are over here, piece together quite nicely and logically. Look, a red arrow, a blue arrow, can you see? So the spectator knows what to do with them, and again they pull out the rabbit in the hat. Okay, and another version, yet another version, which might be interesting, but the beauty of these is that they would go anywhere abroad or whatever. But the final version uses again a pack of cards. In all cases I think it's 18 cards. In this case it's letter cards, and the customer draws PTO, please turn over, and that looks like that. And when they turn it over, they can get a rabbit in a hat, or they can get It's Magic like that, or there's another set which shows Eureka as an outcome. Well, there you are. That's basically it. So those pieces have all got letters on them. I should have made that clear. All the pieces here have got letters on them. Can you see? And the winning pieces pull up. In this particular case, it must be Eureka, mustn't it? If we can find the last piece, which we can't, but it's here somewhere. Oh, it's in here. There you are, look. So there's all these options. This is an English version. PTO obviously is an English version. There we go, that's Eureka. Everybody in England would understand PTO. Americans, we might have to put over, because apparently they don't do PTO. But that's called Jigsaw Puzzler, and I personally prefer the one with the numbers, but that's a matter of taste.